Cuddly Story Corner.
The Adventure of Benny the Elephant. Once upon a time, in a peaceful jungle filled with tall trees, bright flowers, and chirping birds, there lived a little elephant named Benny. Benny wasn't like the other elephants. He was smaller than them, with soft, gray skin and big floppy ears. But Benny had a heart full of adventure. One sunny morning, Benny decided he wanted to go on an adventure. He looked around the jungle and saw a shimmering river in the distance. He wanted to see what's on the other side of the river. Benny began his journey walking through the tall grass. The leaves on the trees swayed in the wind, and the sun made the jungle glow with golden light. As he walked, Benny passed a group of monkeys swinging from branch to branch, their tails wrapping around the tree trunks. Benny smiled and waved, but he didn't stop. He had a goal: the river. Soon he reached the bank of the river. The water sparkled in the sunlight. Benny looked around and saw a big smooth rock near the edge of the water. He decided to jump onto the rock. With a little leap, Benny made it. The rock was warm, and Benny felt the soft splash of water as it gently lapped against the rock. Benny wondered how he could cross the river. Just then he noticed something wonderful. A group of turtles were slowly swimming across the river, their shells gliding through the water. Benny had an idea. He waited for a moment when the turtles were close, and then he gently stepped onto one of their big round shells. The turtle didn't mind at all and swam across the river with Benny on its back. Benny felt the cool water splash around him as they made their way to the other side. When they reached the opposite bank, Benny carefully stepped off the turtle's shell and gave a big, happy wave of thanks. The turtles swam away and Benny looked around. On this side of the river, there were beautiful flowers in every color: red, yellow, blue, and purple. Benny walked through the field, enjoying the sweet smell of the flowers. He saw a butterfly flutter by, its wings sparkling in the sunlight. Benny continued walking, and soon he found a tall, majestic tree. It had branches full of ripe, juicy fruit. Benny's stomach growled, so he decided to take a bite. The fruit was delicious and sweet, and Benny felt full and happy. But then he realized it was getting late. The sky started into turning soft shades of pink and orange. Benny knew it was time to go home. Benny retraced his steps, crossing the river once more with the help of his turtle friends. When he reached the jungle, the stars began to twinkle in the sky above. The jungle was peaceful and quiet, and Benny felt a warm sense of contentment. He made his way back to his cozy little home under a big tree, where his soft blanket awaited him. As he lay down to sleep, Benny thought about his wonderful adventure and smiled. From that day on, Benny knew that no matter how small you are, you can always have big adventures.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out. And if you think a friend would love this, go ahead and share it. Your support means a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.